From London, Parliament saw the American colonies as subjects to tax and control after costly wars. Acts like the Stamp Act and the harsh Intolerable Acts demanded obedience, but what Britain called authority, colonists called tyranny, pushing both sides toward revolution. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Please like, subscribe and share this video and channel. In the 18th century, Britain was governed by British Parliament, an elite body of nobles and landowners ruling in the name of the Crown. Parliament debated laws behind closed doors, dominated by wealthy elites, few citizens voted, and power flowed upward, not outward. To Parliament, the American colonies were not equals, but distant possessions meant to enrich the empire. Britain believed protection justified control. Colonists were expected to pay taxes for wars fought in their defense. Leaders like George Grenville and Lord North pushed policies to tighten imperial authority. Parliament enacted sweeping laws, the Stamp Act, Townshend Acts, and Tea Act, without colonial representation. Parliament underestimated colonial resistance, seeing protest as disobedience, not the defense of rights. By treating America as property, not partners, Parliament helped turn loyal subjects into revolutionaries.